Today I'm going to show you how to get started creating a sway. So if you go to your apps in Microsoft, you're going to start off by choosing the sway icon, clicking on that, and you'll see the opportunity to create a new blank sway, or they have some templates that are already created for you. When I first started using Sway, I used a template to get started, and now I like to kind of create my own. But I'll show you what is good about a template. When you look at a template, it gives you ideas on what to put in that Sway. So it shows you how you can have a picture for the background, you can have your title here, you can label it with your name and your class title and the date, and then it shows you what you can put in each section, shows you how to put quotations in that will kind of emphasize what you are talking about. And it kind of goes on and gives you different hints on what you could put in it, including the ever important Works Cited page. So if you don't want to use a template, you can easily go to New Blank Sway and click that. In the next screencast, I'll show you how to go about creating a new blank sway.